Hi guys. My dog just looked at me when I said hi guys. Okay, what am I going to do today? I am going to do advent calendar. Excuse me, got sweet. Welcome back to my channel guys, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I don't know what I'm doing. So, that's how it should look. Then you guys. I am recycling some Christmas cards, some old Christmas cards, and I am making it into a, oh, it's not even. I am making it into an advent calendar. Dito po sa UK, before the Christmas day, it's a tradition to have advent calendar. So basically an advent calendar is like a countdown to Christmas. But those advent calendars usually, typically, you buy in the shop. Excuse me. I've got squeeze. I'm gonna have to. Typically, you buy the advent calendar in the shops. It's already filled with chocolates. But this time, ano nga pala? Explain ko muna. Oh, sino yun? Teka lang guys ah. My husband. Hello? Alright. What's up? So yeah, advent calendar is basically, ano nga bang advent calendar? It's a countdown to Christmas. And they usually, so every day from December 1st, you open up a box or this calendar that they have. I'll give you a few examples on the screen. So every day from the 1st of December, you open those boxes every day, like one box at a time, obviously. One box on the 1st of December, and then you get what's in it. You can get, if you buy an advent calendar that's filled with chocolates, that's what you get, chocolates. But it's different chocolates every day. And some people nowadays, the advent calendars are like, can also be makeup or skincare. Steve and I, most of the year, we don't have advent calendar because I hardly eat chocolates. I don't fancy eating chocolates every day. Put it that way. Hindi ako mahilig sa sweets kasi syempre Pilipino tayo, hindi tayo lumaki na laging kumakain ng sweets. At saka bawal kami nung maliliit pa, hindi po pwede. Alam niyo yun. So may mga restrictions. So usually, si Steve lang mayroong advent calendar pag naalala ko. Otherwise, he's not bothered kasi lagi naman may tsokolate sa bahay, malagi naman siya may nadudukot. So I thought this year, I want to make it extra special for him. I decided, I have seen this idea from one of a YouTuber. I've decided to make an advent calendar myself. I thought I'm gonna try. I'm not really DIY kind of person. Well, most of the time I'm not. Anyway, I don't think I have the artistic thing in me. But anyway, I decided to make my own advent calendar. Ang mahal kayo ng advent calendar, ano? Anyway, if I make this one, ako na maglalagay ng chocolates na gusto kong ilagay at alam ko magugustuhan ni Steve lahat, diba? So, it's not very fussy when it comes to chocolates or any sugary treats. Basta wala lang kape, yung ibibigay mo sa kanya, he's fine with it. Otherwise, yeah. Anyway, tapusin ko lang tong isa. And then I will show it to you. Yeah, so anyway, I decided to make an advent calendar from recycled Christmas cards. I have some old Christmas cards here. I've had some of these Christmas cards. I've had them for years. It's all packets of cards that you can buy for like £1 or £1.50 for a packet of 30 Christmas cards. May mga luxury din na cards na I've had over the years. There's so much in the market nowadays that you can buy really, bundle of cards, like 12 Christmas cards for £1, something like that. Yung mga naipon kong Christmas cards na ang tagal na siguro, I've had them for 10 years. Ito, I've had them for 10 years. Sabi ko, nakatambak lang naman dyan kasi I hate waste. So, I decided to make this one. Basically, I've got these pegs that I've got from... Makakabili ka sa shop ng mga ganitong ribbons. Isang set na siya, may ganitong ribbons. May kasama na siyang peg. Usually, dun nilalagay, dun yung hinahang yung Christmas cards, diba? I've had them, since I bought it, I've never actually, got to use them. So I decided I'm going to use it this year. Instead of buying Advent calendar, ang dami ko nang sinabi, ewan ko kung saan na napunta yung sinasabi ko. But anyway, basically, we're going to make an Advent calendar. So, I don't really know what I'm doing, guys. Pasensyahan nyo na po, hindi ko pa alam ang ginagawa ko. But I just know what I want. Yeah? So, basically, ito na po yung isang nagawa ko. I made that one. So, the cards, like this. Diba? It's like that. Then you open it like that, yeah? So I basically cut this part. This one. Basically cut that. And then this side, I stick it to the envelope of that card. Because all the cards comes with envelopes. So I stick it to this. I am using... glue gun on a low heat kasi the glue just wasn't seem to be working well. So basta hindi nagdidikit yung siguro kasi may mga glitters and it's a little bit glossy, this card, so it doesn't stick to the envelope. So ginagamit ko yung glue. I only put glues on the sides, yung mga ganyan, ito lang, corners lang, by the way, corners, or sometimes on the sides like this, so that they don't flap about, yeah? And then I stick it to this envelope, and then usually that's what it comes. And then itong peg, nilagay ko na lang siya dyan, so when I put the ribbon, ihahang ko na lang siya, yeah? Or i-clip ko na lang siya dun sa ribbon, and then, but before that, I am going to fill this up with yung envelope niya, I'll fill that up with chocolates. That's the envelope. I won't seal the envelope yet kasi lalagyan ko pa nga siyang chocolates, pero you will see about that. But at the moment, ito na yung resulta niya. Oo nga pala, I've also got these stickers, like number stickers, or you get whatever whatever number stickers you like, or if you want to write on it, you can write on it. But I decided to get stickers and just put a date on it. Like this one is number 1 here. Oh. That one. So it's the first. The other one is the second. I am putting the numbers strategically in the card. So bahala na si Steve maghanap, which is, that's the fun side of it. He's gonna have to find, which one is to open on the first, on the second. So basically, if follow niyo lang yung number, yun ang bubuksan niya. Pero ang gagawin po natin, hindi natin siya na sunod-sunod. Natin siya, i-spread natin siya. Yung kumbaga, rarambulin natin yung numbers niya. Para hanapin niya, that's the fun of it, diba? So, anyway, so that's that. I'm just gonna hook out a lot more of it. Tignan natin na hindi pare-pares yung card natin kasi gamitin ko ba to? Some of the cards I have, it's so old that I don't even know if I'm still want to use it, but I think I would. That's the idea of it. Recycle, Catherine. Anyway, in this channel, guys, we try to do reduce, recycle, reuse. So, at saka ang mahal kaya. Yeah, I decided, I'm gonna do it this way. Why not? Okay, let's cut this first. Just try to cut it as straight as you can, guys, para seamless yung pagdikit nyo sa card. Hindi siya halata masyado. Pwede nyo rin itong gawing, guys, anong tawag doon? Projects ng mga anak nyo, projects nyo, as a family. This really is quite fun. Ang mahal kaya ng ng advent calendar. At least ito, mari-recycle nyo siya every year. Hindi na kayo bibili every time, diba? Yun lang po. Have to put up with it. Konting-konti lang guys na na glue. I only put it on yung glue ko, nilagay ko lang siya sa very low settings para hindi masyadong mainit. Kasi yung glue, lalo pag glossy yung card nyo, hindi talaga siya didikit. So, a bit of a pain to actually do it. Kasi konting glue lang. Yun lang ginagamit ko. Kasi hindi lang siya maghiwa-hiwalay. Ayun. So, meron na tayong number 3. Yeah. Kaya natin siyang number 3. At ilagay natin siya dito sa gitna. Ayun. And then, we get the peg. Oh, the pegs are so cute. Look. That's one of the pegs. Tapos yung ibang pegs, siya? Snowdrops or stars. So, that's 3 out of 25, so 22 more to go. My baby is snoring. Narinig niyo ba si Pico, guys? Yung aso ko. He's snoring. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, tulog na tulog. Naka-jump pa. Tulog na tulog. Ayan. Ayan na guys. That's number 4. Then let's change the number. And we'll put it somewhere here. So there. So, we are all done here, guys. I will have clips now. Natapos din tayo. Ganito ang gagawin natin. After nito, guys, ganito ang ilalagay natin tsokolate. Alam nyo, hindi ko ilalagay dito yung lahat ng ilalagay kong chocolates kasi pinapanood ng asawa ko yung vlog. So, ang gagawin natin, bigyan ko lang kayo ng isang example, di ba? Lalagyan natin tsokolate. Ilalagay yung chocolates, kailangan yung naka-pre-packed individually kasi you don't want to put chocolates, bare chocolates there, magme-melt siya, mag-isa, saka magiging stale. So, ang gagawin ko, maglalagay akong dalawa para sa aming asawa ko. Example lang to guys hindi pa to final. Makikita nyo ang laman nito once every day sa Vlogmas from the 1st of December. And then, papakita namin kung ano yung nasa loob. So, it's gonna be a surprise for you and it's a surprise for Steve as well. So, halimbawa on the 6th, ilalagay ko po, ito yung gold coin na chocolate, at saka ito, yung parang, alam niyo yung Brussels sprouts, pero chocolate siya. So, ilalagay natin siya dyan. Ayun. Ayan. Tapos, isi-seal natin siya. Isi-seal ko siya pagka alam kong siya na talaga ang laman niya. And then, ilalagay natin yung ihahang natin siya sa ribbon na ito. Papakita ko sa inyo paghang mamaya. So, yun. Diba cute? Nandito si Ate Daisy while I was doing this one, and it was quite nice that Ate Daisy was here. Sabi niya, ang kuripot ko daw. Bakit pa? Ang mahal kaya bumili. Diba? Anything that we could reuse, we reuse. At saka cute siya. I like the idea. Kasi lahat ng mga advent calendar na nakikita ko, they're all the same. You know, just pierce through it and there's chocolate in it. And, you know, but this one is quite artistic. I think it's quite artistic. It's nice, isn't it? I initially saw it, if you watch the Lawrence Network, dun ko siya nakita. They're very good. I love watching them. The family of 4 with 2 girls. And then, tapos yung mag-asawa, they're into gardening, and, you know, yung greenhouse nila, and all that stuff. Pero, ano din siya, mga, yung babae, oh my God, ano pangalan niya? Hindi ko maalala. Yung babae, mahilig din siya gumawa ng mga ganito-ganito. So, doon ko siya nakita. Sabi ko, that's a good idea. So, I think that was last year. This is what she did last year. So, I think it's cute. It's very... Well, it's different, isn't it? I think it's beautiful. Ayan. Cute, diba? Ayan, ito. Lahat siya may envelope. Para may mapaglalagyan tayo ng... Diba, cute. Ng chocolates. So, that's that. Let's hang that one. Let's see. I think you've done a wonky job.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you...
What do you mean? Why am I doing that to you?
The teacher,
when I'm fast asleep
making a kid.
You can't find one.
with your pack, you'll
Do it again.
all the stockings you will find hanging in a row.
Wala ba?
Be the shortest one. You'll be sure to
What are you doing?
Can't even see the number like that.
I can see the number. Let me see.
Oh! It's because it's on his ass. I'll squeeze it, feel what's in it.
You feel it, but don't. You're like a big kid.
Nah, no.